Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my favorite Italian sub. To get started, here are the meats I will be using. I have some salami, ham, capocollo, mortadella. I will leave the correct names down in the description box. And I'll be making a giant sub today. This feeds about 6 people and I'm using a French bread. I have some lettuce here. I'll be using tomatoes, and I made my own vinegar and oil base. It's made with vinegar, oil, garlic, and Italian seasoning. I also will be using some mayonnaise. I have provolone cheese, cucumbers, and some onion rings. Let's get started. So the first thing we'll do here is add our vinegar and oil base to the bread. Now, if you don't like a lot of bread, or if you have a small bread and you want to make space for your meats and vegetables, what you can do is remove some of the bread from in the middle. But we like a lot of bread in my home, so we are going to leave the bread. And after we add that, I like mayonnaise on my sub, so I'll go in with some mayonnaise and then we will start adding our meats. You can add it in any order that you wish, as long as you get it on the bread. So after we finish adding our meats, we'll go in with another batch of mayonnaise. Like I said, I love mayonnaise on my sub. So, we'll add the mayonnaise and then we will start adding our cheese. Add as much or as little as you like, guys. It's your choice and it's, up to you. You have to eat the sandwich. So, do it to your own liking. After we're done adding the cheese, we'll go ahead and start adding our vegetables. You can add them in any order that you like. It doesn't matter. Then we'll add a last batch of that mayonnaise, and that's it. It is super simple and easy, and your entire family will enjoy this. This is a great dinner idea. Like when you don't want anything too heavy, or you just want something quick and you want something different. You don't want rice and potatoes and all those stuff. This sub is the perfect idea. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It is absolutely delicious. So this is how I make my favorite Italian sub. It is super easy, delicious, and it's healthy also because it has all of the fresh vegetables in there. I think it's a balanced diet and it's a great dinner idea. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.